my thumbnail, I have a fair few black graphic t-shirts. This video is to also serve as a reminder for myself about just how many I have. I probably don't need any more, while also filling you in on the best place to get graphic tees. So we'll start off with the one I'm wearing. This is a cherry glazer graphic band tee. I love the illustration on it and the colors. I got this when I saw them in Stockholm last year, and I just bought this from the show. The next tee I have is the Sidekicks Daisy t-shirt. I love these flowers so much. Daisies are one of my favorite flowers. Next is one of my favorites. I have this J. Som long sleeve. I love lettering on the sleeves. It's been something that's been really popular for the past year or so, and I'm here for it. I really love it. I love the design so much. It's like a girl and an eyeball. And I ordered this from Polyvinyl, which is a music label or a record label in Urbana, Illinois, which is my college town. So I really liked being able to support them and shop through them. The next tee, this is a t-shirt from the band Vidro, which translates loosely to garbage person, I believe. They are a hardcore band that I also saw when I was in Stockholm. I went to a lot of hardcore and punk shows in Stockholm because that's what the friends that I made there liked and were into. The cool thing about buying band tees is that if it's a smaller band especially, or even a larger one, often the artwork will be by one of the band members themselves. I talked to the band after the show, and one of the musicians in the band designed the shirt. How people that are, it's both like fascinating and not surprising that people who are artistic in many different ways, musically, artistically, and I love supporting that. Another thing about buying band tees is that even if the t-shirt itself isn't sustainably sourced, the money is going to a small band, an artist, maybe even your friends, rather than like a big entity or corporation. I'm on a big kick of trying to buy small, buy only from people that I know, secondhand sellers that I know, so buying band tees is a great way to do that. I have two Radiohead t-shirts here. This one is an Amnesiac t-shirt. I love the artwork on the back. The little minotaur on the album cover is something that I really like, some iconography from Radiohead that I really enjoy, and I love that it's blown up and really big on the back of this t-shirt. And then I have this other one. This is, I believe just for like a single, it says Give Up the Ghost Tom York Remix. So there's that. Not that Radiohead needs my support, but one year for Christmas I was like, I would really like more Radiohead t-shirts, and so I asked for them, and my mom got me these for Christmas one year. Simple this t-shirt is. This is from the band Sudakistan, another band I saw in Stockholm, and I love the hand with the snake wrapped around it, and I like that it's pink and it's very minimal. This was a shirt that Matt was going to give away, but it's one of my favorite t-shirts actually. It says Straya, and these are all dogs on it. I think it's a really cool design. And this shirt and then my favorite white graphic tee that I wear all the time were both ones that he was gonna give away. So shop your friends' discards, look through your friends' bags of stuff they're gonna donate, and attend clothing swaps, because these are like huge staples in my wardrobe that he was gonna donate. This is one of my favorite t-shirts of all time. This is a t-shirt I got from Urban Outfitters in college. I really loved the men's section of Urban Outfitters because I always thought the best t-shirts and hoodies and stuff were in that section. So I bought this and I cropped it, and this is like really, really soft, and it has a girl smoking a cigarette on it, and it says big deal. And even though I'm not a smoker, I don't know, I really like this t-shirt. I think it's really cool. If you buy graphic t-shirts online and they've been worn a bunch, they're like perfectly soft and really comfortable and ready for you to enjoy, so definitely recommend. If you want to shop like Urban Outfitters t-shirts, shop for them on Depop and they'll be even softer. The last t-shirt that I have here is this t-shirt from my high school production of All Shook Up. I really love the colors, and if you grew up in the past however many years, you probably have a ton of t-shirts from middle school, high school, anything that you participated in, you like got a shirt usually, and those shirts are like really in style now. Shirts from like, baseball, and I've been wearing a lot of the shirts that I had in high school that weren't cool to me in the past 10 years or so, but now they're cool again. So definitely recommend checking out your old stash of t-shirts from your childhood. Now on to everybody's favorite part of any video, the unboxing. I ordered this t-shirt from a Denver person. Her Instagram is Sierra Mist, and she designed these t-shirts that said Black Trans Lives Matter in sparkly ink. All of the proceeds went to the Okra Project, which works to get food and really nice meals to Black trans people. All of the shirts she made were in a size large since it was a limited run. She only did the one size, and I don't have anything that is like oversized like that in my t-shirt collection. Everything's pretty like fitted except for the long sleeve. So I'm excited to add this to my collection, so let's see what it looks like. It's so cool! I'm like really stoked about it actually. I love it. It's gonna be so nice and oversized on me. I love stuff like this. I'm like really excited, and it has, the one I chose has like sparkly purple lettering with all the stars. I have like chills. I'm like really excited about this. Black graphic t-shirt collection. Main takeaways are get t-shirts, order them from local bands support your friends, support your artists that you know personally, shop Depop, shop your friends' discards, and also look through the collection of t-shirts from when you grew up, all the t-shirts that you got from anything that you participated in. I wanted to quickly give a little nod to an acquaintance's t-shirt venture that I think is really cool. It's called Night Gallery. They make really awesome designs, and a lot of them benefit good causes. Their Instagram is really cool too, and I got my brother this t-shirt for his birthday. It's a Radiohead bootleg that they designed that benefited the Lebanese Red Cross, and he was so in love with the shirt. Their stuff takes a little while to ship because it's all pre-order and limited run, so I definitely recommend them for one-of-a-kind designs. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of all of my graphic tees, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!